Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day so far. Before I jump into what I want to share with you, of course, we just have to run through our quick disclaimer. Anything we do talk about is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live trading advice, as it is certainly not. Now, let's just take a second here, and I know it's always easy to look back in time, but if you could own Apple today and have bought it at $53.31 a share, does that add some type of value to your portfolio? Now, the chart I'm showing you here is a little longer term than I normally do. We normally work at intraday and swing trades and even position trades, which go from down to a 3-minute to a 240-minute to a daily chart. Now, this is a weekly chart. This is what Apple looks like over a long period of time. So I'll ask the question again. The question is very simple. Would you like your portfolio to own Apple at $53.31? And if you would, this is how you could have easily known it was the time to buy. Now, doing this analysis on a weekly chart really cuts down your time, because you can, on the weekends, because the week needs to conclude on a Friday afternoon, Friday evening, so you have the weekend to do your analysis and look for these longer term, bigger picture trades. So that is exactly what happened here. Our indicators lined up, and this is where it happened. It happened right at 53.31. Now, you had an easy opportunity to get filled the next day. You also had an opportunity after this trade had started to transpire. The price pulled back, literally touched our entry point. So we knew that this was a valuable area, a key area, before it climbed to infinity and beyond. So I want to take a moment. This week I want to spend and focus on these longer term opportunities. Now listen, if you're not a buy and hold person, you could take these and go, I'm going to buy some long term expiring call options. And you could have leveraged into this position very cheaply if a $53 stock was too expensive for you. And that's okay if in fact it is. It's not a problem. It doesn't matter how you want to tackle this. But the reality is you didn't have to look at this chart but once a week to see this opportunity be produced and then just decide which avenue you're going to take advantage of it. So I ask again, if you could own Apple today and be invested in it at $53.31, would you? I think you would. At $132, be very happy if you bought that stock and owned it at $53.31. So guys, knowing is not enough. We must take what we know and apply it. And wishing is not enough. We must take what we wish for and actually do it. And what does this mean? In life, things need to manifest. And in order for them to manifest, there's a process of that. Whether it comes from a thought or a wish or a dream or a hope. And then there's action that must follow through. The action comes down to a decision that you yourself have to make. It comes down to something from within you that you have to be able to draw out. And if in fact you can do that, you will see how knowing something will become your ability to apply it, and wishing something will become your ability to do it. And with that, guys, just take that in perspective. I always try to learn something in life from every situation. And maybe I don't realize it in that moment, but if I take a minute, step back, and really let it resonate with me. In some fashion or some period of time after something happens, I look back and I go, well, this happened for this reason or didn't happen for that reason. And I kind of, I get some understanding or at least some perspective of every situation. And that is something that I wish for you. I wish for you to take opportunity as they present themselves, when you know something, to apply it, to make life manifest, because life is very incredible when things start to manifest for you. Now, guys, if you're ready to learn more about what we do here at Hawkeye Traders, I strongly encourage you to click the link below. Check out the Project V-Swarm webinar. In this webinar, you're going to see example after example of how we take the market from a volume perspective and can find high probability trades, with low risk over and over and over again. If you'd like to learn more about us, please visit us at HawkeyeTraders.com. Any questions, comments, or concerns, always feel free to either email or give our support staff a call. And with that, guys, I encourage you to go out and do something today that makes you feel alive. Have a beautiful day, have a blessed day, have a profitable day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Stay well.